Finally, I'm waiting here to appear for my IELTS. It was like a really stressful time for me, and this time they are conducting speaking test in the Ramada Hotel. So hopefully I can get some good band, and I think I need to go up there on the first floor. First, I need to register for myself, and then in the second phase, I think they're gonna let me to wait for my turn, and then I need to enter to the room, and then magic gonna be happen. So see you in after the exam. Over there have a speaking section. Let me show you if you are going to appear for Ramada. So if you're examining Ramada Hotel, so it's gonna be really amazing because they have a really neat and clean environment because the way they're taking care and their hospitality. So good luck for your exam. And this is Islamabad Ramada Hotel. So don't worry, be neutral and keep smile always on your face. And I think this is the official day to show off your vocabulary. So don't hesitate. The person who are going to conduct, no matter he or she from Pakistan or from other countries, so just think that the person you're going to meet, he is interesting in your personality. So just be natural and then share your idea. That's it. Good luck for your exam. See you soon. I wish everything gonna be fine. Take care.